very empowering, especially to mothers like me. And actually, Mommy Teresa, I guested her in my show in the here in
Oh,
the new channel, and I love what I agree with what she said that in Asia, it's like a prevalent that uh mothers or women are the ones to take good care of the family. They're the ones they prioritize family over career most of the time. And the good news is, like what Mommy Teresa's speech all about, it's we can do both. We can do motherhood and leave a legacy. So that's a very empowering message for moms out there. And it's also the same message that I always leave after I conclude my show, Momspirations, here in the new channel. It's in around the thought that motherhood is not the end of all, end of everything, or your career especially, but it's actually something that could inspire you to do something greater because of your new found purpose in life, and that's your family, your kids.
thank you very much, Mommy Lay. Talagang you can relate because as a mom,
Yes.
di ba? Right, I didn't know you guested her.
Yeah.
I-review ko ngayon. Might be interesting. Now, on to our next speaker. Wanda Lintan Kalupig is the 2021 number one most influential Filipina on LinkedIn. She is a certified public accountant and audit manager turned international career coach and trainer for working individuals and organizations they work for. After suffering from burnout in 2014, she is now on a mission to end the epidemic of stress and burnout by sharing life tools that education lacks through training and coaching. As an NLP master practitioner, business coach, and trainer by the Philippine Department of Trade and Industry, graduate of T. Harv Eker's Train the Trainer program, and an auditor for 20 years plus, Wanda is known for asking thought provoking questions, using NLP tools and accelerated learning techniques that help clients find the gaps and achieve quick results. She was recently recognized as the most influential Oh, I said that already. Sorry about that. And a best career coach by Coach Awards.
And for over 20 years, Wanda made a positive impact on big companies like Intel and Emirates Airlines that led to $1 million savings and increase in performance, productivity, and profits. She brings with her real life strategies and stories with her 20 plus years of experience and expertise working with various multiple industries and personalities around the world. Some fun facts about Wandalin. She is a parent and loves her kids differently. She can write a book in one day. Wow. And she learned how to use
One day.
washing machine at age 26. Today she will talk about very interesting topic, which is 3 reasons for burnout and 1 step to breakthrough. Streaming live from Dubai, UAE, ladies and gentlemen, Wandalin Tan Kalupig.
Let me start with asking you a question. Are you stressed? Are you tired? Are you depressed? Well, if you answered yes to any of these, listen to me on the next 10 minutes because I will share 3 reasons for burnout and 1 step to breakthrough using my personal experience and the experience of the clients I work with. First, I would like to congratulate Apple, Manansala, and all the people behind the Global Women Guru 2023. I love listening to the stories of these amazing women, and you did a very great job. Anjali, I love your insights. Congratulations. And of course, I would like to thank Carla Perlas and the jury for nominating me for this award. And for those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Wandalin Tan Kalupig. With that introduction, yes, I suffered from burnout in 2014, even without knowing it was burnout already. I was, audit manager of Emirates Airlines then. I have everything I've always wanted, the perfect job, the family, the kids, the husband. But I was feeling empty and unhappy, and I was always sick, and I don't know why. And it became worse when my children started to get sick as well. And I realized that is a burnout already. Chronic stress and sickness is burnout. And I thought before it was the price I have to pay because I was working, but I was wrong. So today I've spoken in many interviews, podcasts, And I think that, sharing of my burnout to bliss breakthrough journey even led to this recognition of 2021 Most Influential Filipina on LinkedIn and Best Career Coach awardee. And today I would like to talk, what are the three things that causes burnout? Number one, too much work. We are human being. But I think because we are living in this fast-paced world where women specifically have so many roles, we play so many hats, there's so many roles and responsibilities we play at work, at home, and in our businesses. And as a result, that work is actually causing our body to break down, is causing our mental health, giving us sleepless night and tiredness. So there are many reasons for burnout, but number one is too much work. So if you're feeling stressed and sick all the time, ask yourself, what are you doing? Are you resting enough? Do you have time for yourself? Because too much work, of course, can lead to burnout. Second thing that could be the reason for your burnout, lack of work. It's actually the opposite, right? In 2016, I actually left my audit manager job, my 16-year career, to take care of my two young children. I know other mothers were talking about mother's guilt, and I've been through that myself. So I was thinking I really wanted to become a housewife, and that thankfully became a reality. But ironically, when I became a housewife, it was kind of difficult for me because I never knew that it was difficult. First, second, there was like emotional, mental struggle because you're not earning, you don't have money, and you feel that you have less value because you have no contribution to the family. And that actually is one of the reasons I coach many women who left their corporate job. And that's the same thing. They thought that leaving the corporate is the solution, but it's neither. So too much work and lack of work, those are the reasons for burnout. You need to find the right balance for you. What do you really want to do? Because it's not about leaving the job, but a lot of women already said finding what you love to do. And for me, although I'm an accountant by profession, I found love for training and coaching because it gave me the ability to help people, see the beauty in their problems and see the beauty in their burnout because they were able to bring out the best in themselves. Also, the last but not the least, one of the reasons why a lot of people are suffering from burnout is because of the lack of meaning in what you do. Okay, let me explain it further. When I was enjoying those executive level position, what they said, less than 20% of women actually are in executive level. And that's because of burnout. And one of the reasons is the lack of meaning of what you do. What does it mean? See, we are women who take care of our children, husband, parents, sister. But other than working in corporate, working in our businesses, working with our families, there's a unique calling, a unique path, a unique purpose in your life that only you can fulfill. And God has created a unique purpose for every person. Now, until you find that, you will always find something missing in your life. As Mark Twain said, there are two most important days in your life: the day you were born and the day you found out why. That's why for me, whenever my clients come to me and say, Wanda, I'm feeling like I'm missing something, I'm stressed, I'm sick, I'm very excited. It's kind of weird, but I know at the core of that burnout, that sickness is telling them a message. There's a message in your mess, and it's about finding that. And let me talk about the number one thing that you need to do to beat burnout and to break through, because that is what happened to me. This is what I teach my clients to. It's a six-letter word: accept. What do you need to accept? Number one, you need to accept that no rescue is coming. You are the rescue that you've been waiting for. If you want to bring more happiness, more meaning, more joy into your life, you need to find a way. You need to make it happen. And you are the solution to your own problems. This is what I learned from my experience, from all the clients I work with. Everything that you need is available within you. Which leads me to the next thing. You need to accept that you need help. I know there's a lot of stigma about depression, anxiety, and getting the right help because when you go to doctors, what do people say? But I want to tell you, you're just one call away one question away from getting the right person who can help you, who can coach you, so you can find the message in your mess, so you can beat burnout and achieve the breakthrough that you need in your life. And of course, other than asking yourself, you need to accept that God, oh my God, God is the true maker of all things. Let's imagine this. If the car is broken, where do you go? If the Nissan car is broken, you have to go to Nissan. You don't go to another Mitsubishi or Honda. Because similarly, as humans, if we are broken, we have to go back to God, who's our creator. And that is how I also help my clients. I bring them back to their connection to God, because that is when they will realize that, oh, this burnout that I'm going through, this sickness is a message from God. And what is that message telling me? So let me summarize my talk. There are three reasons for burnout: lack of work, too much work, lack of meaning in what you do. And you need to accept, in order to break through from burnout and move to bliss, you need to accept that you are the solution to your own problems. You need help from the right people. And of course, you need help from the best person who can help you, God. And if there's any way I can support you or your organization through burnout coaching, please reach out to me on LinkedIn, or just go to linktree Coach Wanda, because I know how burnout costs a lot of money. Personally, I cannot compute how much I spent on doctors for me and my children. Similarly, I know how corporates are suffering because of burnout. Employees, they resign. Also, they're always sick, so that leads to a lot of lost productivity, and of course a lot of resignation for people who are managed by executives who are burnout themselves. And of course, I always believe that a healthy family starts with a healthy mother, a healthy happy family, and a healthy happy children starts with a happy mother. So when I change myself, when I realize how I am impacting my family and my children, that led me to really made it a mission to help more people understand how their burnout can lead them to breakthrough, so that they can be the solution to their problems and the solution to their families too. With that, I would like to thank you for watching me live or on replay. If there's any way I can support you, please reach out to me on LinkedIn. Thank you very much, Apple, Angel, Lay. It's a very nice opportunity to be here with you. God bless you all.